Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Todd and I'm back with another video. So in today's video I showed you guys how I got this beautiful box braid style. This is with the rubber band method. Let me know in the comments below if you like this video and you would like to see more hair tutorials by your girl Todd. I didn't personally do this hairstyle, my mom did, because I am bad at parting in the back of my hair. So yeah, I just let her do the whole thing. Pros and cons, definitely because we're locked in the house, this is a great hairstyle to have because you don't have to worry about anything but your edges. You can have this hairstyle for a very long time until, you know, it's time to get out the house and go to the hair salon. So yeah, so that's why I just did this hairstyle to hold me over because my hair was looking a mess. If you want to know the hair that I'm using, it's an ombre style. I got it from Amazon and I'll try and find the link to it. It was actually some hair that I ordered from my mom when we went to Africa last year, and she just had some leftover packs, so I decided to use it. Pros and cons of this hair: yes, it's a nice ombre look to it. Some of the braids came out perfect, but this hair is a little bit plasticky because, of course, yes, this is synthetic hair. But I usually use human hair to braid my hair, so this is synthetic. And when the hair is synthetic, the ends do not lay as good as we want to. So I try to put some rubber bands on the ends just so that they don't unravel on me. And yeah, it worked. I mean, it's just something to wear in the house for right now, but you can definitely wear this hairstyle outside of the house as well. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. finally over. We're trimming and then